Coming up on this episode of Where to Go and What to Eat, we visit a CrossFit gym to train with one of the world's top athletes.
We're here at CrossFit Hengill with Björgvin Karl Gudmundsson. If you don't know who that is, you really should.
If you want to know how to stay fit while you travel around Iceland, then this is the episode for you.
Hi, I'm Lance Elliott. We're here in Iceland, and this is Where to Go and What to Eat.
There is an area known as the Golden Circle that features some of Iceland's most scenic and historic locations, like Thingvellir, Geysir, and Gullfoss. We'll show those in future episodes, but right now we're stopping in at CrossFit Hengill to work out with one of the best CrossFitters in the world. CrossFit is one of the biggest fitness crazes out there. There are more CrossFit gyms than there are Starbucks coffee shops around the world.
Welcome to Iceland, the land of fire and ice.
And Iceland is important to CrossFit.
The workout is 19.3. It is a workout for time, 200 feet dumbbell overhead lunge.
In 2019, one of the official workouts for the CrossFit Open was announced in Iceland.
Björgvin Karl in a blue shirt.
Björgvin Karl Gudmundsson, two-time third-place finisher at the CrossFit Games and six-time fittest man in Iceland, won the event.
1 minute, 20 seconds! And Björgvin's in 9 minutes, 30 seconds unofficial!
Year after year, BKG has done well representing Iceland in the CrossFit Games, and now we get to meet him.
Högberg and Björgvin Gudmundsson get off the GHD.
We're here at CrossFit Hengill with Björgvin Karl Gudmundsson. If you don't know who that is, you really should. He took third place in the CrossFit Games in 2015, and he's on track to become a podium winner this year.
Absolutely.
Björgvin Gudmundsson, second in the Meridian region, only did gymnastics for 9 years and soccer for 14. His brother actually signed him up for the Open in 2012, and here he is at the CrossFit Games.
The volume that this guy works at is just incredible.
Rising to their feet to salute the man who's going to win this event, Björgvin Gudmundsson.
First off, how did you get started at CrossFit Hengill? Why this box?
So my brother is the owner of this box.
Your brother's the owner of this box?
Yeah, he's in the SWAT team in Iceland.
Oh, wow.
He introduced me to CrossFit in 2012, like early 2012.
Okay.
Because all the SWAT team members were training CrossFit.
But did he already own this box? But okay, so he was training in Reykjavik.
Yeah, he was training in Reykjavik, and he just asked me if I wanted to join in there. And from there, basically, it just wasn't going back.
It just became your calling.
Yeah, basically from just the first training. And then early 2013, we opened up this space here.
Okay.
And I've been coaching and training
awesome.
since then.
And we know CrossFit's kind of exploded here in Iceland. What do you attribute to CrossFit becoming so big?
So basically, I started in 2012. It was like relatively young in 2012.
I think everywhere is pretty young in 2012, yeah.
We already had Annie Thorisdottir as the current champion.
Annie Thorisdottir was the very first woman to win the CrossFit Games twice, and is a 5-time podium finisher.
I am Annie Thorisdottir, and I am the fittest on earth.
2011 and 2012 she won.
Right.
And it just inspired a lot of people from Iceland, and that I think that's like the main thing why like there's a lot of people in Iceland that train CrossFit because of our previous champion.
Iceland flags are in the crowd.
Not only did CrossFit grow in Iceland after Annie's double win, but other Icelandic women, like Katrin Davidsdottir, also a multi-year winner.
Once again, Katrin Davidsdottir!
And Sarah Sigmundsdottir have racked up multiple podium finishes.
One for Sarah Sigmundsdottir. And there's a new Icelandic CrossFit queen here at the Games, and it's Sarah Sigmundsdottir.
With a population of only 360,000 people, and yet 13 podium finishes at the CrossFit Games, I'd say Iceland has a disproportionate number of top-tier CrossFitters. It must be their Viking heritage, and BKG has been the fittest man in Iceland for 6 years running.
Our show is actually called Where to Go and What to Eat.
Yeah.
So it's about different locations and places to eat. So what are some of your favorite things about Iceland? What locations do you like to eat at?
There's just so much food, so much quality food. You can get like great fish and you can get great meat. Like you can get pretty much everything you want to. But there's one place in Reykjavik called the Grill Market.
The Grill Market.
Grill Market.
Okay.
That's one of my favorites.
Okay.
Yeah, great meat, and I guess the chefs are just doing a great job.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And what about like locations to visit? What are cool things to do in Iceland?
I'm a nature guy. I like to just get like a lot of food, bring it outside in the nature and like enjoy.
Yeah.
Like on my rest days and stuff. Go snowmobiling and just like drink hot cocoa and just chill out.
Yeah.
So many beautiful places. Like if you just drive around for like 15-20 minutes when it's bright, you're definitely gonna find like a good locations to both eat and then just enjoy the nature.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Sweet. So our last question for you, we're gonna ask if we can get a signed shirt. So our mom actually got us all into CrossFit in our family.
Yeah. Okay.
And she's lost 100 pounds since she started doing CrossFit.
Wow. Cherise, great job. That's the way to go. Absolutely. Oh, this is awesome. So impressive, man. Yeah.
Great.
Signed shirts?
Yeah, we'd love that.
Definitely.
My mom loves the signed shirt. She even put it in a shadow box on the wall when we got home. But now we get to do what we really came here for. Work out in a class coached by Björgvin. Since this particular class is mainly locals, he teaches the class in Icelandic. He demos the movements and it isn't too hard to follow, and he translates for me whenever it's needed. Now that we're all warmed up and have practiced the movements, we get to do the actual workout. At this point in the workout, I was pretty gassed. So my chin may not have gotten over the bar every time, but I certainly did my best. It doesn't matter if you have to scale the workout. I was left catching my breath on the floor at the end.
Hey, give us thumbs up.
Being coached by BKG was so cool. I got to work out with one of the top athletes in the world. When you come visit the Golden Circle, you should definitely do a workout at CrossFit Hengill.
Thanks, Björgvin.
Thank you, guys.
It's great to meet you.
My pleasure. Now you know where to go.
Awesome.
And I'll go around the corner to show you what to eat.
We didn't have time to film this location completely, but we're here at licorice. Right behind me, do you see that? We got some ice cream. Supposedly Icelandic ice cream is supposed to be real good, so we're gonna give it a try. I got some cookie dough, because I like that flavor, so we'll see it. Okay, this is nothing like American cookie dough ice cream. It almost tastes like it has like, you know, Nilla wafer cookies? It's like it's got Nilla wafers in it, and chocolate, and then it's super creamy, so this is delicious. Definitely stop off and get some Icelandic ice cream. It's real good.
Next time we're teaming up with a chef to show how some traditional Icelandic food is made. Stick around for a sneak peek. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single episode. Speaking of which, here's a preview for the next one.
Next stop on our culinary crusade is a restaurant in Hotel Anna, where they're serving up some traditional Icelandic food with a little bit of magic. Do you smoke your tar over sheep?
Yes. Mushroom sauce, base is traditional. I give only a little bit my magic.
Oh man, that's good.